Dear students, in the previous class we were discussing about meaning of cost accounting, nature and function of cost accounting, advantages and disadvantages of cost accounting, difference between cost accounting and financial accounting, and finally difference between cost accounting and management accounting. Today we are discussing about what are the important methods of costing and techniques of costing. First one, methods of costing. Methods of costing simply means the methods of finding cost or finding cost per unit of product or service. That is, it is the way to finding cost per unit of a product or service. Different methods can be applied to ascertain cost of product or service. The method to be used different from industry to industry. Basically, there are only two methods of costing. They are specific order costing and operation costing. The specific order costing are again classified into four, and operation costing is also classified into four. The first category is specific order costing. The first one under specific order costing is job costing. Under job costing, costs are collected and accumulated for each job or work order separately. Each job is distinct and each is different from one another. It is suitable for printing work, repair work, foundries, engineering work, machine tools, etc. etc. And the second one is batch costing. It is a special type of job costing. It is used in factories where articles are manufactured in definite batches. Batch costing is generally followed in spare parts manufacturing, biscuit factories, pharmaceutical companies, ready-made garments, etc. All these industries produce goods in a batch. And the third one, contract costing. A contract is a big job or big work. Hence, it takes a longer time to complete the work. Like job, each contract is different from other contract. Costs are collected, accumulated and ascertained for each contract separately. So, a separate account is maintained for each individual contract. This method is used in construction type of industries such as building, roads, bridges, dams, etc. And the fourth one is cost plus costing. It is a strategy which is used to determine the selling price of a specific product, and it is determined by adding a specific fixed markup percentage to a singular product's unit cost. That is, here the selling price is equal to cost plus a fixed percentage of markup amount. The markup percentage can be derived by using firm's target rate of return or normal rate of return. Then the second classification is operation costing. Operation costing. A manufacturing process may sometimes be subdivided into number of parts. Each part is known as operation. For example, production of a steel almirah is divided into operations such as cutting a steel sheet, welding the body, welding compartments, fixing the door and the handle and polishing. In this case, operation costing is applied. Operation costing refers to the determination of cost of operation in place of process. In this case, the cost of operation is calculated. This method used in industries like toy making, leather making, engineering goods, etc. The operation costing is again classified into four. First one, output costing. Output costing. This method of costing is used when a company produces only one product or few grades of the same products in large number on a continuous basis in a single process. What? This method is applied when a company produces only one product in a large number on a continuous basis in a single process. That is why this method is also known as single operation costing. Single operation costing. The object of unit costing or output costing is to find out the cost per unit of output. The main objective of output costing is to find out cost per unit of output. Output costing is also called single costing or unit costing. This is used in industries like mines, quarries, cement works, steel work, etc. In all these cases, there is a natural or standard cost unit. And the second one is process costing. Process costing. If a product passes through different stages or process costing is used to ascertain the cost of each stage. Here, production stages are called process. Normally, the finished product of one process become the raw material of subsequent process. The final product is obtained in the last process. Process costing is generally followed in textiles industries, chemical industries, refineries, etc. etc. In this organization, the products are produced by passing through different stages or process. Then next one, service costing. Service costing. Service costing is also known as operating costing. Operating costing. This method is applicable to the enterprises which are engaged in rendering services such as transport undertakings, railways, airways, hospitals, electricity, etc. etc. This method aims at ascertaining the cost of service rendered. This method is used to ascertain the cost of rendering service. Operating cost is also known as service costing. Then last one, composite costing. Composite costing. Composite costing is also known as multiple costing. When two or more methods of costing are applied in respect of the same product, it is called multiple costing or composite costing. In this case, two or more methods of costings are simultaneously used to ascertain the cost of a product. This method is used in industries where a large number of components are separately produced and assembled in order to final product. For example, in bicycle manufacturing industries, batch costing may be used to ascertain the cost of various components part. After having assembled these parts, unit costing may be used in ascertaining the cost of a single bicycle. This is the example of composite costing. These are the various methods of costing. Then next one, cost technique. Cost technique. In addition to the method of costing, there are some techniques or types of costing also. Types or technique of costing are the ways in which cost information is presented to the management for cost control and decision making. Cost technique means the way in which the cost information is presented to the management for taking decision and cost control. These are the important techniques of costing: absorption costing, marginal costing, historical costing, standard costing, differential costing and uniform costing. The first one is absorption costing. Absorption costing. As the name indicates, it is the process of charging all cost or absorption of all cost to a product, service, job or process. It is also known as full cost because the total cost or full amount of cost is charged to the product. And the second one is marginal costing. Marginal costing. Marginal costing is the process of charging only variable cost to the product, operation and process. In this case, we consider only variable cost. This costing is also known as variable costing. And the third one is historical costing. Historical costing. It is the technique of ascertainment of cost after they have been incurred. In this case, the cost is calculated only after incurring that cost. Then the fourth one is standard costing. Standard costing. In this system, firstly, the business organization fixes a predetermined cost. After that predetermined cost is compared with actual cost and analyzing variances and taking remedial action if necessary. That means it is a system of comparing actual cost with standard cost, analyzing variances and taking remedial action. And next one, differential costing. Differential costing. In this case, or under this method, comparing cost of two alternatives for the purpose of deciding which alternative is best. This technique is used for selecting the best alternative by comparing their cost. It is the technique of comparing cost of two alternatives for the purpose of selecting the best alternative. Then last one is uniform costing. It is the use of same costing principle, practices and methods by several undertakings for a common control or comparison of cost. Under this technique, all industry follow the same costing principles, practices and methods. So, comparison of industry is possible. These are the different costing techniques.